A ketogenic diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. While this may seem challenging, many nutritious foods can easily fit into this way of eating. Here are some healthy foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. 1. Seafood. Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly foods. Salmon and other fish are rich in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium, yet virtually carb-free. However, the carbs in different types of shellfish vary. For instance, while shrimp and most crabs contain no carbs, other types of shellfish do. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and other fatty fish are very high in omega-3 fats, which have been found to lower insulin levels and increase insulin sensitivity in people who have overweight and obesity. 2. Low-carb vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and carbs, but high in many nutrients, including vitamin C and several minerals. Vegetables and other plants contain fiber, which your body doesn't digest and absorb like other carbs. Vegetables also contain antioxidants that help protect against free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage. What's more, cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cauliflower have been linked to decreased cancer and heart disease risk. Low-carb veggies make a great substitute for high-carb foods. 3. Avocados. Avocados are incredibly healthy. 3.5 ounces, or about 1/2 of a medium avocado, contains 9 grams of carbs. However, 7 of these are fiber, so its net carb count is only 2 grams. Avocados are high in several vitamins and minerals, including potassium, an important mineral many people may not get enough of. What's more, a high potassium intake may help make the transition to a ketogenic diet easier. In addition, avocados may help improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 4. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry are considered staple foods on a ketogenic diet. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbs and are rich in B vitamins and several important minerals. They're also a great source of high-quality protein, which has been shown to help preserve muscle mass during a very low-carb diet. 5. Eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most versatile foods on the planet. One large egg contains less than 1 gram of carbs and about 6 grams of protein, making eggs an ideal food for a ketogenic lifestyle. In addition, eggs have been shown to trigger hormones that increase feelings of fullness and satiety. It's important you eat the entire egg, as most of an egg's nutrients are found in the yolk. This includes the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect eye health. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil provides impressive benefits for your heart. It's high in oleic acid, a monosaturated fat that has been found to decrease heart disease risk factors in many studies. In addition, extra virgin olive oil is high in antioxidants, known as phenols. These compounds further protect heart health by decreasing inflammation and improving artery function. As a pure fat source, olive oil contains no carbs. It's an ideal base for salad dressings and healthy mayonnaise.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.